everyone, this is Nomi Awan and you are watching Learn Urdu with Nomi Awan episode 3. So today we will discuss some more sentences of English and we will see what you will say in Urdu for those specific sentences. So the first sentence is, please come in. Please come in. So in Urdu you will say Tashrif laiye. It's a formal way of saying please come in, Tashrif laiye. In informal way we can say Andar aa jaएं, Andar aa jaएं या Andar aa jao. So please come in, you can say Tashrif लाएं या अंदर आ जाओ. Next sentence is, please have a seat. So in Urdu you will say तशरीफ रखिए, तशरीफ रखिए, तशरीफ रखिए. Or you can also say बैठिए, बैठिए, बैठिए. Next sentence is, I'm happy to meet you. In Urdu you will say आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई, आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई, आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Next sentence, do you speak English? क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं? I don't speak Urdu. We can say मैं उर्दू नहीं बोलता. I don't speak Urdu. मैं उर्दू नहीं बोलता. मैं उर्दू नहीं बोलता. Next sentence. My name is Nomi Awan. In Urdu you can say मेरा नाम नोमी अवान है, मेरा नाम नोमी अवान है. Next sentence, which way to Lahore? Which way to Lahore? In Urdu you will say लाहौर किस तरफ है, लाहौर किस तरफ है, लाहौर किस तरफ है. लाहौर किस तरफ है, which way to Lahore. So hope you are enjoying learning Urdu with Nomi Awan. And please make some comments at the bottom of this video so